Leganto can now be used to track open educational resources, or OER, which are being used on resource lists. For now, you can configure which resources will be marked as OER according to the Creative Commons license or the source URL. Citations will also be marked as OER if the Primo or Summon record has an OER attribute. In a future release, you'll be able to add a visual indication on the list, which will look like this. You'll also be able to manually set individual items as OER. The data will also be available in Analytics. For now, you can configure which Creative Commons licenses and which URL domains should be marked as OER. Go to Leganto Configuration, List Management, Open Educational Resources. Here you can see what has been enabled out of the box. All of the Creative Commons license types have been enabled except the two that do not allow derivatives. If you would like to enable these and have them considered as OER for your institution, you can. You can also see the URL domains that will be considered OER out of the box. If you have citations where the source URL is one of these domains, it will be marked as OER. You can disable them, edit them, or add additional rows. If you'd like to add additional URL domains, click on Add Row. If you would like to add a lot of URL domains, you can export this table and edit it in Excel. When you're done, import it back into the system. Once you have updated and saved this table, you can run the Citation Bulk Update job to update your citations. For example, you might create a set of records for all citations or citations on active courses. Run the job under Admin, Run a Job, Reading List Citation Update Task. You can see that there's a new option to calculate OER on this job. Click Next, then submit the job.